guys, it's been a while. I thought I should just film an intro for this. It's already pretty dark out right now. I didn't film it when I was doing the tour, so yeah, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour of the Ponderosa studio. I haven't filmed in a while, so I'm a bit, I guess, out of it, and also my skin is so bad, so that's why I didn't really want to show my face. So that's why I'm filming it like this. But anyways, if you have any questions about living on res and anything about I guess UBC, you can leave a comment. Also, just a quick note, I am subletting this place here, so that's why I reference a lot in the tour that someone else, this may be someone else's stuff, because I'm subletting, not actually yeah, you know what subletting means. Anyways, hope you enjoy the tour. Bye. All right, so we'll just start off at the front door. Nothing much here. I just have my shoes here on the side. I didn't know how to organize them, so I just kind of put them on top of each other. And then on the side of the fridge, I have my grocery tote bags. Whoops. Oh no. Okay, this one is from a Korean ice cream brand. It's like Haagen-Dazs, but Korean. Anyways, on the back there, as you can see, there is some cleaning supplies, which I don't use. I believe they come with every unit in res, but I don't really want to clean my floor with something that's been used for years and it's pretty dirty, so I just keep it back there. This was already here when I came. That was not me. And I just have my umbrella hanging. I have my own floor cleaner. And then here's an overview. All right, so we have the washroom right here, and hello, I'm wearing my pajamas right now, but we have the washroom here. It's just the shower. Also, for some reason, the place came with 2 shower curtains, so it's a little bit wonky on the top here. And then here we have just our average sink. I have my skincare on the side here, a lot of stuff going on, and just your average toothbrush, toothpaste, and I just have my hair stuff on the top of the toilet. And then here we also have some storage, and then on the bottom, okay, it's a little messy, but there is all my skincare that I don't use every day, or some new products that I haven't opened yet, and some hair things as well. And then back here we have our towels. I didn't put that there. Someone previously here, I guess, put it on. But yeah, that's the washroom. All right, so we'll just continue on with the kitchen. It's a pretty good sized kitchen, I would say. We got a full size fridge here, and we also have a lot of storage on the top. I only use this one shelving here, but there's lots on top here as well. And I keep my vitamins in this little shelf here. And I just have my mug with some water, not much left. And there's also a drawer here and some storage down there. Got our stove. And also the kitchen comes with a dishwasher, which is nice, but I don't really use dishwashers, so I have my dishes drying in there. I'd use it as a drying rack. But yeah, that's what the kitchen looks like, and nothing particularly like special about it. There's also some lighting here. At night it gets really dark in the room, so this light is very crucial. And to the right of the kitchen, I have my desk area. Got some more storage here with the shelves, as well as the drawers on the bottom. But in the shelves, I just keep some random things. Like this one has my camera equipment, my go-to pouch, my fanny pack, a bag full of plastic bags, and I have my go-to bags at the bottom here. This purse is from Fine Couture. It's just a Korean brand, And this backpack, I'm sure you guys all have seen this before. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm not even gonna try. And that's just a tote bag from Have a Good Time. And then here I have my pictures from high school, and this is just the key card for the room. And on top I have some random things. I have my student card and bus pass, my AirPods, my hair things, my go-to hair accessories, I guess, my jewelry boxes. I have my gel nails in there, my sunglasses, and makeup brushes and stuff. And here I have not much. Sorry, it's kind of loud outside. I have my books that I want to read here, my notebooks, and this here, I gotta be careful not to show you my student number. This is what you get when you come into res. It just has all the information that you'd need. So I just keep that here. And my glasses, my iPad case, and I have some more hair accessories here. This is a little cap for my Apple Pencil. I have a case for my Apple Pencil, which I took off, and I don't know, that thing, I just keep it up there. I don't know why. And here I just have my school stuff. I got my iPad mini, which I had for a very long time. And I have my iPad Pro, and I have my MacBook. Got some notes for school, some other things. For a math major, I should really get a new calculator because this one sucks. Kind of embarrassing. Anyways, I have my necklaces here hanging. Here I just put this chair here because the unit had 2 of these and I didn't know what to do with it. I don't know if it comes with the unit or the previous person bought it, but it was here already, so I just kind of leave it there. And here we have our window. It's a really nice and sunny day, so I wanted to film today because the lighting was really nice with the sun coming in and stuff. But yeah, so that's just what the outside world looks like, which I don't go out often, so I miss it. But also, if you look here, I got a little bit of the ocean view, which is nice. I always take a lot of sunset pictures here because it's really pretty when it's when the sun sets. But yeah, anyways, that's that. And here we have the bed area. So I turned the lights on just to show you guys, I guess, but it doesn't look nice with these bright sunlights coming in. Usually with these studios, the bed would come centered in this area, so it would be right in the middle, but I moved my bed to the side so I have more space right here, and I think it looks a lot more roomier when the bed is pushed to the side like that, so I just keep it that way. And there's also some more storage at the bottom, and there's also just the other chair that was here, and I just use it as like a nightstand, I guess. But these things, I try to make it look cute, you know, it doesn't look cute, but whatever. Also, I have no idea what to do with these guys, so I just kind of keep it here. But I got these from Jeju Island when I went, and I really love the little cards, the packaging, so I don't want to take it out, and I don't even know what to use them for, so I just kind of keep them here. And also, I have my go-to, oh my god, it's so loud, sorry. I have my go-to perfume. This is the Wood Sage and Sea Salt from Jo Malone. I also have the Parnell Body Mist, which is not for fragrance, it's for moisturizing your skin. And here I just have my normal body moisturizer. But yeah, I try to hang this poster up, but it kept falling down, so I just kind of lean it on the wall here. And I have my fake plant, my mirror that I got from a very expensive dollar store. I don't think they should be calling it a dollar store because this mirror if you buy it at normal dollar stores, or they're like, I don't know, probably like $10-15. I got this for like almost $30, which is crazy. But anyways, I have my laundry bag, and also I have my Zara box here because the mirror was too low, so I just kind of put it on top. Oh, and also this picture I took when I was in, I believe, middle school, in like photography club, I don't know, some photography class. And this is a little, what are those called? Like the not post notes, you know, those letters that you send. I don't know, what am I saying? But this is from Udo, which is a island to the side, like a small little island right beside Jeju Island. So I love that place and I want to remember it forever, so I just kind of had it hanging here. And then here I have my closet, which has a lot of space actually. On top here I just keep my big suitcase and some box with some like albums and stuff. Unfortunately, I have to carry like my whole living everywhere I move because I don't really have like a home, I guess, to move back to, because my mom's in Korea and my other family is in Toronto. So yeah, I just have all my living stuff here. So that's why I have 2 big suitcases and a box. And that's why I had to reduce a lot of my clothes. So yeah, it doesn't look like too much here, but there are some clothes in the suitcase still. And I have my clothes in there as well. I also took the nightstand that was right beside the bed. When it was centered here, there was like a nightstand on the side, and I moved that into the closet so I'll have more space and more space for my clothes. So I think that is really helped with keeping the room kind of looking nice and spacious, I guess. But yeah, that's the bedroom area, or the main area, I guess. It's not, this whole thing is a bedroom, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. This took me forever to film. I just really suck at explaining things, so hopefully that was okay. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm sorry.